My name is Nikki, and this is Oliver, but we call him Ollie. He's an English cream, meaning an English cream golden retriever is the breed. Ollie is super sweet. He's mellowing out, but he's still a puppy. He's very friendly, and he just loves to explore new places and meet new dogs and meet new people. He's comfortable in a small home, in a small area. So he's very, very happy inside, and when we come outside, he's extremely happy as well. So he's very adaptable, and I've been so surprised to see how many golden retrievers are in RVs. All different kinds of dogs are in RVs. He has made tons of friends here. The nice thing about this Escondido RV Resort is a couple things. They have a 1/3 acre dog park, so he can get off leash and run around. Management loves him, and they're completely supportive. They love the dogs. And of course, we're so close to the dog beaches. We're close to the Del Mar dog beach where they can be off leash, and there's lots of nice puddles and things that they can splash around in. So if a dog doesn't like waves, he doesn't really like waves, then they can go swimming in the lagoon. So there's lots of places to play here. It's a very dog-friendly community.